Benefits of sleeping with a garlic clove under your pillow. Many people who find it difficult to fall asleep believe that putting a clove of garlic under their pillows each night will improve their sleeping patterns. According to Steps to Health website, the sulfur compounds in garlic along with its aroma have a calming effect that helps improve the quality of one's sleep. Garlic contains several nutrients including vitamins B6, thiamine and pantothenic acid, vitamin C, and the dietary minerals, manganese, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and zinc. Recipe for a healthy life: from 1 garlic bulb, take 1 clove of fresh garlic. Take care not to crush the clove. Retain the paper cover around the clove. Place the clove under your pillow at night. In the morning, remove the clove and discard. Repeat each night. Sleep aside, garlic is also jam-packed with vitamins B and C as well as allicin, an enzyme derived from chopped garlic that has been shown to have certain antibiotic properties. Recent studies have also suggested that increased consumption of garlic could help fight bad cholesterol and lead to overall better memory retention. There is evidence that too much topical application of garlic direct to the skin or as garlic oil on the skin can result in minor burns.